What's up guys, this is Nitin here.
Welcome in my part 3 video. In this part 3 video only we're going to install the platform or code editor from where we execute the program. So let's start. First you need to write code block on search engine whatever browser you use. I'm using Chrome and just write code block, and now you have to click here codeblock.org. After that, go to download section and you have to download only binary release. Click here and select whatever operating system you use. I'm using Windows, and remember this, you have to download only this maingw.setup.exe because this contains compiler also. And what is compiler? So basically compiler is transform from source code, which is human readable, into machine code, which is computer acceptable. So you have to download from here source for .NET. Click it, and after loading the page in 5 seconds your download has been started. So I'm going to pause the video. After downloading, I'm going to install. So after downloading, just click on that file whatever we have downloaded and run it, and just install it. Click next. It doesn't need to read it all. Say agree. Next. This is my drive location where this code block goes. Just install it. Now after installation of code block, create a new project. Go to the console application because you are a beginner, and go next. Select C because I'm going to teach, or this is the tutorial on C programming, and click next. Type your project name. I'm just writing C program 1 and select your location where your program going to save. Click new folder, select it, and just select it, finish. These two are header file, include stdio.h and include stdlib.h header file. For assigning, we use #shine, and this is the end function. Now just simply run it, the hello world, and click build and run. Now you will be able to see the output hello world. Now after finishing the installation part, we will meet in my next video, part 4 on C programming language. So see you again. Don't forget to subscribe.